Garage Heads is your ultimate destination for in-depth motorcycle reviews, where we break down everything you need to know about the latest rides. Today, we are diving into the Suzuki GSX-R125, a lightweight sport bike that packs serious performance in a compact package. Whether you're a beginner looking for an entry-level sport bike or an experienced rider searching for a nimble machine, the GSX-R125 has a lot to offer. At the heart of this bike is a 124cc single-cylinder, liquid-cooled engine that delivers an impressive balance of power and efficiency. With its fuel-injected system, it provides smooth throttle response and excellent fuel economy, making it an ideal choice for daily commuting and weekend rides. The power output may not match its bigger siblings, but for a 125cc class bike, it offers one of the best performances in the segment. The lightweight chassis enhances maneuverability, making it easy to handle in city traffic and around tight corners. One of the standout features of the GSX-R125 is its aerodynamic design, inspired by Suzuki's legendary GSX-R series. The sleek fairings and aggressive styling give it a race-ready look, ensuring that it turns heads wherever it goes. The compact frame, coupled with a low seat height, makes it accessible to riders of different heights and skill levels. The lightweight frame not only contributes to its sporty performance but also helps in achieving a great power-to-weight ratio. When it comes to the riding experience, the GSX-R125 does not disappoint. The smooth gearbox ensures precise shifts, while the lightweight design enhances control and stability. The suspension setup strikes a balance between comfort and sportiness, making it suitable for both urban roads and open highways. The bike comes equipped with disc brakes on both the front and rear wheels, providing reliable stopping power. Additionally, the inclusion of ABS enhances safety by preventing wheel lockup during sudden braking situations. Technology is another area where Suzuki has done a great job with the GSX-R125. The digital instrument cluster provides all the essential information at a glance, including speed, fuel level, gear position, and trip meter. The LED headlights and taillights not only add to the aggressive look but also improve visibility in low light conditions. The keyless ignition system is a premium touch that adds convenience, allowing riders to start the bike without fumbling for a key. Fuel efficiency is a crucial factor for many riders, and the GSX-R125 excels in this department. With its fuel-injected engine and lightweight build, it offers excellent mileage, making it a cost-effective option for those who want a sporty ride without spending too much on fuel. The comfortable ergonomics and well-padded seat ensure that long rides do not become uncomfortable, further adding to its appeal as an everyday sport bike. Overall, the Suzuki GSX-R125 is a well-rounded motorcycle that offers a blend of performance, style, and practicality. It is an excellent choice for new riders who want to experience the thrill of a sport bike without dealing with excessive power. At the same time, experienced riders will appreciate its nimble handling and efficient engine. Whether you're commuting, taking weekend rides, or just enjoying the open road, this bike delivers a fun and engaging experience. If you found this review helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Garage Heads for more motorcycle reviews, features, and comparisons. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and we'll see you in the next video.